Is switching to a millet-filled diet a better option for kidney patients? Eliminating wheat and rice from your diet and including millets like pearl millet, finger millet, foxtail millet, barnyard millet, and kodo millet, thinking they could benefit you and help manage kidney disease? But remember, all glitters are not gold. In the same way, millets are not good for everyone. Well, in this video, we will discuss what could be the best millet for your kidneys, and the second question that many kidney patients ask, Doctor, can we eat millet? So let's know. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Madhvi Vash and you are cordially welcome to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel, and here you can explore so much detailed scientific information on health and wellness, healthy diet and nutrition, yoga, exercise and chronic kidney disease treatment with holistic and natural care. See, millets are high in fibers, both soluble and insoluble, whereas they are low in carbs. Being an excellent source of fiber, they are low in glycemic index, which is good for people with kidney disease and diabetes. Well, millet is gaining popularity among health-conscious people because they are gluten-free, low in glycemic index, full of B vitamins, and most millets are low in phosphorus and potassium. But the question is, which millet can a kidney patient eat? See, not all millets are low in kidney harming minerals like calcium, phosphorus, potassium and sodium. Some millets are high in calcium and potassium, like finger millet is high in calcium and pearl millets are high in potassium. So, including them in kidney healthy diet is not a good idea. You can consume foxtail millet. They are rich in iron and B vitamins and low in sodium and phosphorus. Being a good source of dietary fiber, foxtail millets help control blood sugar and cholesterol, thereby preventing further kidney damage. The second millet that can go well with your kidney-friendly diet is little millet. They are low in phosphorus and potassium and easy to digest. It can be a better alternative to rice and wheat. Now I'll tell you the third kidney healthy millet. It is barnyard millet. It is low in potassium, as 100 grams of barnyard contains only 190 milligram of potassium. They are high in fiber and simple protein, which can be an excellent choice for a dialysis patient. Well, the fourth millet is kodo millet. They have anti-inflammatory properties. It has a good amount of fiber. 100 grams of kodo millet has 9 grams of fiber, which keeps energy levels stable without rising blood sugar. These millets reduce the uric acid in the body and help with the kidney disorders. Proso millets. Proso millets contain antioxidants and phenolic compounds like comeric acid, chlorogenic acid, gallic acid and ferulic acid, which have anti-inflammatory properties and reduce oxidative stress on kidneys. Alright, so I have explained everything to you in detail. But before consuming any millet, please make sure that you are not struggling with weakness or loss of strength. Plus, moderation is the key. Consume them in moderation. High fiber content can sometimes cause gastric troubles, so relying completely on millet is not a good idea. Again, my final advice is to eat what suits your body. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, share and subscribe to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel for more health related videos. Thanks.